Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your auto pickup preferences in Garena Free Fire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your auto pickup settings in Garena Free Fire is easy. From the main dashboard of the app, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, select Auto Pickup from the left sidebar. Here in the Auto Pickup settings, you can choose which category of item you automatically pick up. You can turn all categories on or off, or change it to your desired playstyle. Tap the X at the top right to go back to the dashboard once done. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Garena Free Fire tips and tricks.